Okay, we'll start the next one, students. Is Angel online? Angel? Yeah, Angel, why are you giving wrong answers? Yesterday your answers were wrong. You didn't go through the recording. Don't know logarithm. Respond, Angel. Now, why did you give wrong answers? Your answers were not right. Are you getting confused? Not able to solve? Okay, if you didn't understand the basic, just go through the recording, Angel, after the class. This is exercise 7B. If you just go through the introduction class, you'll understand. Okay, if not, it would be very tough. So, how many mains did we complete, students? Which one you're supposed to start? I gave you all two questions for homework. You already completed? Nobody? No, log 9 by 4. This question I told you to complete. How do you solve this question, students? All of you will respond log 9 by 4. How do you write 9 by 4? 3 by whole square. This 2 goes end of log. It should be written in the beginning. Log 2, 3. For division, what should I write? Plus or minus? Minus 2 into log 2. Not just 2. Can you see the difference? Yeah, Delicia, how many times to tell you to log on time, to join on time? Can you see the screen? Delicia and Ananya? See, seventh main, fourth one. I told you all to solve, but nobody has said that, student. Seventh main, fourth one. 9 by 4, you have to write it as 3 by 2 the whole square. So 2 into log, it becomes 2 into log 3 by 2. This 2 is common to both. Okay, so that's the reason I've written twice. Complete it. What is log 3 value? How much is log 3? 0.4771. How much is log 2? 3010. Try this. Complete it. Yeah, good evening, Kia. Class has started. Solve the question. Okay, complete. Start this. 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 15, 2 fours are 8, 9. 0.9542. Next, minus 0.6020. Subtract it, students. Subtract it, you'll get the answer. And when have they given holiday in school? For Shankranti, have they given holiday? Thursdays holiday. Thursday 15th. Okay, even I'll give on Thursday. Only one day, right? Only one day. Okay, Thursday. So 14, 16, 17, you'll have classes. Fine. Completed students. Complete this. Done. Why others didn't attend or were other students present? Eileen, Dia. Dia online? Is Dia online? One, two, three. Not Kia, Dia. Respond Dia. Okay. One, two, three, four. Anya. Anya is absent. Anya and Eileen. Anya, why are you late? You either join late or you don't join. Right? You thought today is holiday. Then why are we joined late? 7:30 you have to join Anya. 7:30 class starts. Okay, if you're out up to 9 o'clock, you can stay out. Don't attend. Always late. Or if not, only if I send a message in group, you join. Were you there when we started logarithm? You know all the logarithm rules? Okay. See, from the day you join, same Anya. 1 week you were not proper. From the day you join, weekly only thrice you'll attend, or 4 days or 2 days you'll be absent. If there is no continuity, you won't understand. See, yesterday I would have taught different topic. Did you go through yesterday's class? No. Okay, how much ever possible you attend, Anya? Because no time. Hardly 30 days. There are so many chapters to complete. All of you got this answer. 0.3522 students. Is it clear? Okay. Next question. If log 2 value is given, mute the call. All of you will mute the call. Eighth question. Log 75 by 60 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus. Yes, Aileen, why are you late, Aileen? Login. See, I told you to join at 7:20 students. Try login at 7:20. Any problem by 7:30, we can start. Okay, look at the eighth question, Aileen. Were you there yesterday? How do you solve this, students? How do you solve eighth question? See, it's a simple concept. What did I tell you? What are the values we have? What is log 1? Log 1 is equals to 0. Log 2, all of you respond. What is log 2? What is given? Log 2 is 0. log 3, 4771. Now our aim is to convert, what is the value? 75 divided by 16. Everything should have log, students. Everything should have log. Okay. Then you have to convert log 2 and log 3. Log 2 and log 3. Before that, let me keep log 75 by 16 as it is. What happens to 2? If you shift it to the power, what do you get? Log is 5 by 9 the whole square, 25 by plus log 32 by 243. Is this clear? Did you understand? First use normal log, students. Normal log, reduce this. Log 76 by 16. I mean 75 by 16. For minus, what do you put? Where do you write for minus? 25 by 81, right? 81 by 25. Correct? And for plus, you write it in the numerator. First reduce this. All of you will reduce. Be quick, students. We have to complete it today. And tomorrow I'll be starting new chapter. How many times 25 goes in 75? How many times? 25 ones are 25, threes are. What about 16 and 32? How many times 16 goes in 32? 16 ones are 16, 2. So you have 3 into 81 into 2 divided by 243. Reduce it. What's the answer, Kia? What did you get? 0.301. Why 0? How come 0.30? Got log 2. Fine. Log 2. 3 ones. How many times 3 goes in 243? 81. Log 2 is left. What is log 2, students? 3010. Done? All of you understood? Shall we try the next one? Next question. Okay, you all try the next one, student. Ninth main, what is given? What is log 8 value? Instead of log 2 and 3, what they have given? Log 8 is equals to 0. What do we need to find? Log 4, right? how do you convert log 4 students? Ninth main, 1 minute. Ninth main, if log 8 value is given. Okay, fine. Here, see in exam, what are the two values I told you they'll give you? What are the two values? Log 2 and log 3. Now, if I want to convert log 4, how do you convert log 4 students? See, everything should be 2. What can I write? 2 and 2 square. What happens to 2 if it goes to the other side? 2 log 2. Do we have log 2 value here? Log 2 value or log 8 value? What is given? Log 8. Log 2 is not given. I'll tell you how to convert. Next, if you have log 9, there are only two values given students, log 2 and log 3. If they give log 9, how will you convert log 9? 3, 3 square. This 2 goes in the beginning. What do you log? They'll give you log 3 value, substitute, you'll get the answer. Now, log 2 is not given. Instead of log 2, log 8 is given. I'll tell you how to convert this log 8 into log 2. Look, how do you convert log 8 students? 2 to the power of log 2 to the power of factorize 8. 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 0.9030. What happens to 3 if it goes to the other side? 3 log is equals to 0.90. Our main target is to get log 2. What happens to 3? 3 will get divide. When you divide, what's the answer for log 2? 3010. Is it clear? Now this log 2 substitute here. 2 into 0.3010. So instead of giving log 2 directly, they have given log 8 students. That's the difference. Instead of giving this direct value, we need to solve this first. Okay, now we need this log 2. Keep log 2. What are the other sub questions given? Ninth main. Can you see another two questions are given? 32 and the other one. Will you try these two questions after completing this? All of you all? Try students, try. Remove 32. Whoever knows the logic, try that. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. After that, I'll solve. Yes, students, did you all try? Able to solve? What about this question? Ninth main done? Ninth main? Okay, look here. I'll teach you. See, ninth main, what was a 2? After solving, what did we get 2 value? Log 2? 0 point? Yes. Just keep this as it is. Now look at this. Ninth main, log 32 is required. First, remove the root. When you remove root, what do you get? Log 32. Shift 1 by 2 to the other side. 1 by 2 into log 32. Now, factorize 32. All of you will factorize 32 students. What do you get? 2 into 8. You keep solving, you'll get 2 to the power of 8. Sorry, 2 to the power of how much? 5. Again, what value is given here? What value do we have? Only log 2, right? I need only log 2. What happens to this 5? It gets multiplied. What is 1 by 2 into 5? 5 by 2 into log 2. Now substitute the value. Completed. Done. Okay. Others try. Whoever didn't get completed students, multiply. Next question. Remove the decimal, right? 125 by 1000. Which one? Negative? Oh, fine. Positive, negative doesn't matter every game. Okay. Sometimes you'll get positive. I'll tell why negative. Just because 1000 is there in the denominator, you would have got negative. Did ma'am complete this topic? Okay. So try doing it, students. Don't refer your notes. What's the answer for this? You all calculate. I have written the values. You all calculate. This would take some time. Multiply 5 into 0.3010. Correct. 0.7525 is the answer. Yes. Exercise 7B, third and nobody told me we solved even the third and fourth. Why others didn't inform today? Then what are the questions cancelled? Everything is cancelled. Okay, fine, students. Just ignore. I think mostly today we'll complete this. How many questions left? After ninth, we have the last main, right? Okay, last question. Log 2 was 0.3010. Log 0.125 is given. How do you remove the decimal, students? When you remove the decimal, what do you get? 1000. Don't reduce this. See, don't reduce to the power of 5 and all those. If you want, you can reduce. What do you get? What do we get? 25 into how many times? Okay, 5 by 10 the whole cube is also fine. So what do you all get, students? See, I'll show you. There are 2 or 3 ways to solve this question. I'll show you both the ways. First, if you want, you can reduce it. If you use 5 times table 25 and here 200, 5 by 40, what do we get? Log 5 by 40. How do you convert this? No, no, 1 minute, 1 minute. Correct, 1 by 8. What do you get? 1 by 8, students. How do you convert this log 2 when 1 by 8 is given? No, no, no 2 cube, 3 cube. That is secondary. First, what is log m to the power of m by n? Log m minus, what can I write? Log n, log 1 minus, what is log 1? Answer 0. I told you to memorize the value. Log 1 is 0 minus, what is log 8? How can I write log 8? Now tell me the calculation. Like this, what do you get? Log 0.3010. What's the answer? 0.90, 0.9030. What's the answer, students? When you reduce it, what did you all get? Respond. See, 0 minus anything. What is 0 minus 1? Yes. What is 0 minus 1? Minus 1. What is 0 minus 2? The same way, what is 0 minus this value? 0.90. Abigail, this is the easiest method, Abigail. You convert it into cube. I'll teach you even that. I'll show you even that calculation, students. If you do it like this, it is very easy. Within 3 steps, you get the answer. Look, within 3 steps, we got the answer. I've showed all the calculation below. The next one is log 125 divided by 1000. 125 is what cube, students? 125, can I write it as 5 by 10 the whole cube? This 3 I'll write it in the beginning, right? 3 to the power of log 5 minus this 3 belongs to both. 3 to the power of log 10. Now again there is a confusion. How do you convert log 5? What did I teach you all? Whenever log 5 is given, you have to write it as 10 divided by 2. Isn't it lengthy, Abigail? Is this the way you did? Okay, which one you feel easy? The first left or one or the right one? Let me complete. Let me complete it. Fine. Let me complete it. Look here. Log 10 to the power of 3 students. 3 into log 10 minus 3 into log 2 minus 3 into log 10 as it is. Which one gets cancelled? Respond. Which one gets cancelled here? Is left. Log minus 3 into what is log 2? 0.30. I've showed you all both the calculation, students. I feel I would have done the left hand side first. So see whichever you all feel easy, you all can convert it. Left hand side, right hand side. Those who understood right hand side can follow that. And it is not mandatory. Whatever your ma'am does to do it in the same method, whatever I do to do it in the same. Whichever you all feel easy, you'll do it. There's one more method. Okay, these two methods are enough. Complete these two. Minus 0.9030. See, again from today I'll be giving you all practice questions. Okay, from mean chapter, trigonometry, exponents. Every Friday or Saturday I'll be conducting. Only this paper I'll correct it. Kia, I'll correct it today. Okay, I still didn't correct your paper, students. Let me correct. Friday or Saturday I'll conduct. Abigail, you send me the portions, right? All of you will have the portions with you all? Exam. Fine. Look here. Compound interest is not there. Okay. Rational and irrational. Expansion. Do you all remember expansion, students? Factorization. Fine. Every day we'll start revision. So which one? See, indices I'll give. Are you all thorough with indices? Previous chapter, indices. So I'll be giving practice questions on indices. And next one, mean chapter and trigonometry. Do you have trigonometry? Yes, trigonometry is there for final exam. Indices, trigonometry, mean chapter. All of you will remember mean, direct method, assume mean method, median. Okay, we'll solve one assume mean method now. I'll give that for practice question. Every day 3 or 4 questions I'll give. Completed students. Yes, be quick, complete this. We'll try the next one. Yes. Fine. Take break, students. Today I'll conduct up to 8:45. All of you will take 10 minutes break. We'll continue at 8:10, 8:20. Fine, Bhargavi. Continue after break. Students, respond. All of you online. Shall we start the next one? 6, 8. Yeah. So usually, what are the values we have in logarithm? Tell me the values. Log 1, 2, and 3, right? Log 1 is 0. Log 2 they'll give you. Log 3 they'll give. Apart from this, they won't give any other value. If they give any other value, we need to convert. Instead of log 2 and 3, what they have given us? Respond, all of you all. They have given log 27. How do you convert log 27? Factorize 27. 3 to the power of 3 is equals to 1.4313. This 3 goes to the beginning. Log 3. 1.4313. Divide this 3. What is log 3 value we get? 1.4313 divided by? Yes, divided by 3. First find log 3, students. Then we'll solve these two questions. Is it clear, Anya? Did you understand? Diya, Anya, Ananya? Divided, what do you get, students? Remove the decimal. 14313. First divide this. I want all of you all to solve. Solve and tell me the answer. Okay, how do you divide this? How did you divide Kia? 3 fours are 12. Next, remainder. Yeah, remainder 2, bring down 3. 3 sevens are very good. 3 ones are 3. All of you all got 4771. How many decimal numbers were there, students? How many decimal numbers were there? 4, not 1. How many after decimal, how many numbers are there? 4. How many decimal numbers you have to place back? 4. What's the answer? 0.77? 1. If not, memorize 0. Log 2 and log 3 values. Okay, is this clear? All of you understood this value? 0.4. Now, first question. Log 9. How do you convert log 9, students? How do you make it log 3? Respond. The only method is factorize. Factorize log 9. What do you get? This 2 goes to the beginning. 2 log 3. 2 into what is log 3? Double. Okay, factorize log 30. What is log 30, students? Complete it. Complete this. Log 30, if you factorize, you'll get 3 tens are 2 fives are 5 ones are. You can write it as log 3 into 5. First complete this. I'll teach all this. First, all of you complete. Tell me the answer for log 9. Hmm. Just 0 point. This is the answer. 954. All of you got 9542. Okay, now next. Log 3 into 2 into 5. See, what is log m into n, students? How do you write log m into n? Log m into n. In the same way, split this log 3 plus. Whenever log 5 is given, how do you solve? You should write log 10 by. Remember this, students. All of you remember, whenever log 5 is given, you write 10 by 2. Log 3 as it is, log 2 as it is. How do you split log 10 by 2? Log 10 minus log. Log 2 and log 2 gets cancelled. What is log 3? What is log 10? Log 100 is equals to. I told you to memorize all this. 1. The answer is 1 point. 1 plus 0. 1.4771. Okay, we'll solve. Complete it after this. Yes, after this we'll solve one median question. Left nothing, only this one here. This chapter is done. Tomorrow we'll be starting new chapter, students. If not, I'm going to give holiday on Friday. Same. Here after three questions for homework. If you all don't send it, I'm not going to let you for the next class. Okay. Did we start coordinate geometry? Did I teach all coordinate geometry? Graph question. I'll teach all this coordinate geometry. We'll start tomorrow. It was done. What was Kia doing when I was teaching coordinate? Check once. Was it coordinate or frequency distribution? Which one we didn't do? Oh, coordinate. I don't think I started. I didn't do that. Yes, I just did mean, right? Check students because I teach even for 8th and 10th, I get confused. Even they have the same concept coordinate geometry. Or last year we did. Okay, all of you completed this question? Log 3 and log 2. Fine. Logarithm is done, students. Logarithm completed. I'll do one thing. Even revision. Yesterday I made you all solve few questions. Apart from that, these are the new questions from 6 to 10. 6 to 10 you all practice. 6 to 10 question. Now mean chapter. Most of you all are getting confused. Still doubts. Doubt in the sense you're not able to solve this mean. Yes. Difficult question. Difficult only the second one. I didn't do the second one, right? Second question, students. Kia, nothing difficult in this. Everything is easy, Kia. You can solve all the questions. Important in the sense, see, this is not that important. They won't even give second one, but I'll solve it. Today will another 10-15 minutes we'll revise one mean question. Remind me tomorrow, students. I'll do this. Only this question is pending. Remember, I did only half and told you all to we'll do it in the last. It's a very lengthy question, almost one page. Actually, this second question they should have given it in the last. If you're able to do all the concept, then we can solve the second question. Fine, we'll solve mean question. Mean and median. Okay, direct method. Last week we did. You all go through. Can you see this question in the textbook, students? Example 6 in worked out example. Yeah, go through this. Okay, just go through this. We'll solve one assumed mean method. Okay, I'll solve this eighth one. Eighth one itself. All of you will concentrate. Respond. Is Angel online? Angel Island, Ananya, Anya. Okay, solve this, student. Solve one question and explain. Don't copy. First, tell me mean. What are the two different methods we have for mean, students? If you want to solve mean, what is the formula? Mean is equals to sum of observation divided by number of observation. This is only when one value is given, xi. When we have two values, xi, fi, then direct method, assume mean method. For direct method, what's the formula? Summation of, yes, fi xi divided by summation of f. Next, if it is assume mean method, mean is equals to, we have to assume a value a. From which column do we assume? We always assume from xi column, not fi, plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. Di is a separate column. What is di? Xi minus a. Anya, are you there online? Can you respond? Is Anya online? You're the only one who does this in a different way, Anya. You take values from fi, whatever you wish, you solve and you send. Are you there online? Can you respond? I've seen others solving. You're the only student who does it in a different method. Tell me this, Anya. What are the values? 800. Write it in vertical way, students. 820, 860. All of you start solving this. 900, 920. Whatever first value is given, what is it? That is xi. What is fi? 19, 25, 20, and then 5. Now let us use assumed mean method. From where do you assume the values, Anya? Xi or fi? We should always assume from which one? Xi. Yes, fi is not, we don't use fi for anything, students. Remember, fi for nothing. Always use xi. Which is the middle term for xi? Which one is the 900? If there are two values, let me take out this. Now, how many values are there? Total how many? 6. Respond. Total how many values are there? Only 6 values. Now, which one is in the middle? There's nothing in the middle. These two, right? You can assume any one. You can take 860 or 900. Is it clear? Yeah. But now we have odd numbers. So exactly 900 is in between. A is equals to 900. See, mention here. Below the table, mention it. 900. Next, what is the formula, Anya? Mean is equals to A plus summation of fi, summation of, see, summation of fi di, students. A is separate. All of you remember this. A is separate. This is separate. I saw few students writing it like this. This is common mistake. Even Kia has done like this. You're not supposed to divide this with A value. No, I have answered Yeah, last time or before that you have done it like this calculation. Okay, now DI students, what is DI? Tell me DI formula. See, if you need to find the summation of Fi DI, Fi column is given. Do we have DI column? No. In next to DI, write the formula Xi minus. For first one, what is Xi? All of you will respond. What is Xi? Minus 900. What is 800 minus 900? 100. I'll give you an example. Wherever if you have taken, that will be 0. Wherever you have taken a, what is the answer? 0. On above that, everything will be negative. Below that, positive. No, above that negative and below is positive. See, this one, you don't get confused. Relate and study. All of you know number line? Number line? Where are negative numbers? Left hand side or right hand? Positive. If I tilt this, if I tilt it towards this direction, doesn't it become like this? Negative numbers first off, 0 and positive number. This is how you have to relate. So don't get confused. This is similar to number line concept. Above it becomes negative. Wherever you have taken 900 is 0. Below that is positive. Now you can take 900 or 800. Doesn't matter. What is 900 minus 800? 100 minus 100. Now tell me 900 minus 820 minus 80. Next 100 minus plus 20. What is 980 minus 900? 80. 1000 minus 900? 100. Is this clear? Completed students. Write these steps. I want all of you to write, not just sit and listen. Don't be lazy. Write it. Draw these three columns and write it. And I'll give one question for homework. Complete it till here. I'll show the next calculation. Don't do the next one. I'll do the calculation. Angel, are you solving? Are you writing it? Doing the questions. Okay. Ananya, what about Ananya? Angel, Ananya, then Bhargavi, Kia, Anya, Island, Dia. What about Delicia? Yeah, from beginning I didn't hear Delicia's voice. Are you there online? Why not answering Delicia? I thought you were absent. Is Delicia next 1.5 month? Only studies. Okay. All the festivals, everything got over, right? No more holidays, enjoyment. You have to study. Complete it. What do you get when you add students? See, when you take this, Add all three. What is 100 plus 80 plus 40? 220. Minus sign. Along with minus sign, 220. Next, tell me the next one. 200. What is minus 220 plus 200? Minus 20. So DI, actually wrong. That is not required, students. Do we need summation of DI or FIDI? FIDI. That was a mistake. You shouldn't have done like that. FIDI. Now, FIDI. What is FIDI? Minus 700, 0, 400, 800, 500. Multiply this. Okay, 1120. Is it minus 760? Okay, now add all three, students. Even if it is minus, no problem. Take minus common and add all three. 700, 1120, 760. What do you think here? How come 152585? What is that? Add properly. One, double one, only 4 digit, and you're giving some 5 or 6 digits. 0. 2 plus 6, 8. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 700. See, even if it is minus, remember you have to add all the digits with along with minus sign. Plus 2580. All of you got minus 2580. Add these three. Add these three. You'll get plus. See, for both I've added. One you'll get minus. For the other one you'll get plus. This is 1700. And now subtract minus. Yeah, you'll get the answer in minus. Very good. Minus 880, right? Is it clear till here? All of you have done till here? Response, students. Understood? Minus 880. Now Fi. Now let me show you the calculation. This question is there in the textbook. You can go through. Did we get the same answer? But they didn't show us the calculation. They've just given minus 700, minus 1000, 120. Is the answer correct? All the values are right. They've assumed it here. Everything is right. Minus 880. Fi getting it as 100. Look at the calculation. Okay. You all try it later, students. Fi, if you calculate, you get 100. Let me quickly solve this. For another 5 minutes, we'll end the class. A value is 900. 900 plus FIDI is, it's a separate value. Take it in bracket. 880 divided by 100. 900. Use shifting method. What is 880? 88 divided by 10? Minus 8.8. Open the bracket. What is plus into minus? 8.8. So you get 891.2. 891.2. Is the answer correct? Rupees 891.2. The calculation? Calculation. Yeah, it is given in your textbook, page number 229, students. If you want, go through page number 229, 230. Okay, I'll give one question from exponent, one mean question, and one logarithm question. 3 questions for homework. I'll write and send it. Yeah. And tomorrow, same time, log in at 7:30, 7:30 to 8:45 or 8:50 I'll conduct. That's it for today. All can leave.